Ellie.
He's probably these free animals trying to sell them over here. I think with the animals, you kind of gives them a feeling of control. There's something they can be boss of, and something that
Hey.
It's not me!
Tucker. Not you. Shh. Ah, Ellie. Ellie. Oh no, TV.
My name is Kayla. I'm 21. Kayla is
Ellie, stop watching TV.
complex person. She has big dreams and goals.
When she makes up her mind to do something, she can do
Girls
it.
and boys. She's very passionate. She does